Hi. Welcome to Atomy.
Welcome to Atomy.
Welcome to Atomy.
Welcome to Atomy.
애터미 가족 여러분 만나서 반갑습니다.
Dear my Atomy friends,
애터미의 마스코트, 애터미의 귀염둥이,
welcome everyone. I am Atomy's mascot,
박한길 회장입니다.
Park Han-gil.
아니, 단어들이 왜 이래? 단어들이.
So I don't like the sound. The sound is very small. When you get the real Park Han-gil, you made a lot of noise, and the sound is very small.
그래 인형이다.
You're not making a lot of noise because I am a doll. Welcome to Atomy.
반갑습니다.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
회장님 오늘 애터미 가족분들과
So with Atomy family, this is your first time to meet them, right?
마케팅의 역사를
I am writing down the new history of network marketing industry. That's my announcement.
회장님 인사부터 하시고
So first say hello to those audience. So that is why we stick to the principle of network marketing. Say hello to the audience first.
인사부터 먼저 하시고
Say hello to the audience first.
인사는 무슨 인사요 지금?
I don't have any time to say hello.
잠을 안 자고 그냥 뛰어다녀야지.
So you should not sleep and you should work, keep working. You can earn $100K every month. So you don't have any time. You're running out of time. Leaders never sleep. You don't have any time to say hello.
하시고 싶은 말씀 들어보겠습니다.
So I will give you time to say what you want to say. To me,
벗어나지 않아야 합니다.
we'll stick to network marketing's principle. What is the principle?
맨날 얘기하는데
I say this principle every time, and you still don't know this principle. Consumers buy the products, and if they like it, and they introduce products to others, and they can create this consumer group, and the company can do a lot of promotion for them and provide the compensation. That is the principle.
여러분 예전에는 많은 다단계 업체들이 본질을 벗어났죠.
In the past, a lot of network marketing company made issues because they were all greedy. They want to have higher mastership, higher commission, so they just purchase a lot of product by themselves, but they couldn't sell it. So that's why there have been a lot of victims of the network marketing. It was a social issue, but Atomy will not admit this kind of bad perception. I will make it. I will get rid of this bad perception over network marketing. Please make a bigger hand. I need a big hand. Still, are there that kind of people in this industry? No, they are not qualified to do Atomy business. They could not be a successful person at all. Do you agree? Do you know?
회장님이 인형으로 이렇게 나오시니까
Since you are a doll, and I think Atomy families are so happy to see that. Do you like it? Do you like the doll version of me? Are you happy? My beloved Atomy members, I want you to be happy with Atomy. That is all I want. And I want you to be happy. I think that when you smile, when you laugh, you could become happy. It is already scientifically proven. So from Monday to Sunday, you need to laugh all the time. From Monday to Sunday, on Monday, laugh because it is Monday. On Tuesday, please laugh even though you're angry. On Wednesday, please laugh frequently. On Thursday, please laugh as much as you can. On Friday, laugh and laugh again. Saturday, laugh until you vomit. On Sunday, please laugh right after you wake up. Like this, you need to laugh
한 달에
7 days a
이것을
week.
수당으로 담는 인테리어리 되었다. 이렇게 생각을 한다네요.
Please imagine that you become Imperial Master making 100 million Korean won a month.
가장 큰 박수를 치면서 가장 큰 소리로
So,
웃는
if I say
중이다.
start, let's laugh together, clapping together.
엔돌핀이 나오고
If you
건강해지고
laugh,
즐거워질
you might have
것입니다.
endorphin, you get healthier, and you get healthier. If I say start,
이 믿음을 가지고
please
웃을 수 있어요.
have a belief that your dream will come true and start laughing.
쳐다보시고 이렇게
Laugh
생각하세요.
at
당신은
the face of the person next to you. And let's say you are the next successful person. With that in mind, please be ready to laugh. If I say start,
네.
let's laugh together.
쳐다보시고 더 웃어요. 웃어주세요.
See the face of the person next to you. Make a big laugh.
아이고 좋네.
It's good.
박수.
Thank you.
네, 이렇게 좋아, 이렇게 항상 웃는 우리 애터니가 되었으면 좋겠습니다.
As such, I
얼굴이 지금 환해지셨어요.
want all of you laugh all the time. I think you are all look like a successful person.
괜찮겠어요?
So I will do it whenever I come here.
저는요, 여러분들을 생각할 때마다
Whenever I think of you,
참 감사한 마음을 가지고
I feel so
있습니다.
grateful.
애터니를 통해서 여러분을 만나서
I could meet you through Atomy, so I'm so grateful.
고맙소,
Thank you.
고맙소.
Thank you very much.
늘 사랑하오.
I love you all.
고맙소, 고맙소.
Thank you and thank you.
함께 갑시다.
Let's go together.
회장님 너무 좋은데요. 네트워크
Chairman
마케팅 역사를
Park,
새롭게 쓰고 있는
it's
애터미
good.
화이팅입니다.
Atomy
여러분
is writing the history of the network marketing.
1위가 되었습니다.
Atomy ranked the first in the network marketing in Korea, and Atomy is one of the top 10 network marketing company in the world.
그런데 동종업계 최대 매출이 10조밖에 되지 않습니다.
But the biggest sales of the network marketing have been 10 trillion. So we compete with discount store, department stores, and other distribution companies. So they are our competitors. Walmart making 600 trillion, Alibaba is making 300 trillion. So they are making this kind of sales. So Atomy will compete with this kind of large distribution company, and we will win against these large companies. And we have the goal, and we are going for that goal.
애터니는 가장 좋은 제품을
Atomy
싸게 파는
provide good product at an affordable price with absolute quality,
절대 가격
absolute
뭐라고요?
price.
오직 소비자의 이익을 목표로 달려가는
In order for the profit of the consumers,
애터니는
we are honest and we are exemplary. I'm sure that Atomy is the one and only company that could connect all of the distribution market in the world. With that goal in mind, we're going to write the history of the network marketing.
예. 여러분이 지금 어떤 회사에 와 계시는지 알았으면 좋겠습니다.
I want you to know that what kind of company you are working with.
잘 나가는 그런 회사에 온 게 아닙니다. 전 세계 유통을 통일할 수 있는
You are now working with a company that has the potential to connect all of the global distribution. In this vast distribution company, you are here and you are working with that kind of top-notch company. Please keep that in mind.
야, 네, 물 좀 줘. 목이 날라가지고 죽겠어.
I'm thirsty.
아,
Give me some water. I'm very thirsty.
아, 뭐 하는 거야?
What are you doing?
네가 녹았는데 내가 시원하네.
You drink it, but
우리는 이상한 관계야.
I feel happy. I think
저는
it's
애터미가
awkward.
영혼을 소중히 여기는 특별한 기업이라서 너무 좋습니다.
I like Atomy because Atomy cherished the spirit.
바로 이것이
Yes.
애터미의 핵심
That's
가치입니다.
the core value of Atomy.
사람은 생겨 녹은 대로 살아야 된다. 이런 얘기가 있습니다.
There is a saying that people need to live like
살아갈 수 있다는 그런 얘기겠지요.
people, like a person. In that way, we could be happy. We need to understand that how we look like.
우리는
We
살다가 죽으면 끝나는 생명이 아닙니다. 영원한 생명을 누릴 수 있도록
are designed to live eternal
그렇게
life.
지원을 받았습니다.
That's how we are wired. That's we are designed.
우리는 하나님이 주시는 것으로 살아야 행복하고
We could be happy
만족합니다.
when we live under the saying of God. In that way, we could be
여기
happy.
계신 여러분들이
To all of the
제가
people
만난
here,
하나님을 꼭
I would like to say that you could meet God, whom I met.
늘 기도하고
With that
있습니다.
in mind, I always pray for you. Thank you very much.
자, 회장님,
Chairman Park, actually it's almost time's up. So we need to end here.
그래서 시장
So time's up. So I need to end here. Please give me more time. I have a bunch of things to say. I would like to say more. Atomy
하나님의 말씀을 전하는 그런 기업입니다.
will spread the gospel of God through business.
일을 할 것입니다.
I will do it and I will take my life at risk in order to spread this business into the world.
나가라고 하는 것 같은데요. 야, 방송실.
Broadcasting room, turn off the music.
아직 안 끝났잖아.
I don't finish yet.
아, 계속 하시죠.
Okay.
그래서 애터미의 모든
So
시스템과
all of the
상품을
system and the
보시기
product
바랍니다.
Atomy
애터미의 모든
are so important.
야,
Hey,
조명 켜.
turn on the
조금만
lights.
더 하자. 조금만 더.
I want to speak more.
조금만 더 할게.
Speak a little bit more.
아, 노노하네, 노노해. 여러분, 애터미의 모든 시스템과
All of the
상품에는
system and the product of Atomy have the love of God. So
저희 애터미에서는 초일류 기업을 지향하고 있기에 원칙을 고수합니다.
Atomy
회장님도 예외가
pursues to be the world best company, so we strictly follow the rule. Chairman Park is no exception. You need to follow the time and principle we have. If you want to say more, you could do it on next month on the stage.
아마도 몽상 회장께 그 박수를
Please give another big hands to Monsang.
구독, 좋아요 눌러주세요.